Alright everybody, Mr. Clad here, bringing you the very first penny hunt in hopefully a series. Hunted 2 boxes of pennies, you can see right here. Got all my wrappers there. The way that I did this is that the best way for me to hunt pennies, because I have kind of big hands, is I just put the whole roll in my hand and kind of flip through them. When I put them down, then I have to bend down and I've got to flip them all and everything. And it gets kind of tiring. So I put them all in my hand like this, as you can see in my hands, and roll them up and fan them out, see what we got. So the copper content is here, and that's probably about a quarter of the way full. There are a lot of really nice shiny, as you can see, a lot of really nice shiny 60s and 70s pennies in there that are in pretty good shape. Some of them are S's and some of them are just that nice reddish copper brown. And then these, of course, boo, these are all the zinc pennies that we don't care anything about. And actually it spilled over into a partial box. So those are all the zinc pennies. And now we'll bring you to the cream. And that is the Wheaties. So, and you guys can leave comments at the bottom here in this video. And if you don't like this format, then I can try to change it a little. But for the most part, it's probably going to be done this way just because it's the easiest for me to do. So we'll get to the Wheaties here. We'll do a year reveal. That is a 46, a 56, 51, nice reddish copper one there, really nice. 56, a 54S, it looks like. Here's a 40, a 49. Here's a 57D, which we found a lot of those. Here's a 45, no mint mark. Here's a 52. That looks like a D. And, you find some that look like this too. This is pretty nice. Nice finish on it. Patinaed nice. 55D. Pretty cool looking penny. There's a 51. A 44. A 56. A 44. Another nice copper penny, 41. And a 57D. Also in that box, I think I found 3 or 4 Canadian pennies. I actually think they ended up back in the random copper jar. So we may fish those out at some point. So box number 1 produced 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 Wheaties. So box 1, 16 Wheaties. So out of 2,500 coins, we have 16 Wheaties. Box number 2 is a much different story. Much different story. Box number 2 produced this many Wheaties. And there are 51 of them. So 51 Wheaties in a box. I'm assuming it's pretty good. So let's go through them all here. And we'll do them as we go. This is a 54. This one is a 52. A 47. A 51. A 57. a 49, and these are pretty much just common ones that, you know, that don't look all that great. A 46, but then you got these here. I mean, that's a good looking penny there. Nice patina, and it's a 54. Again, there's a reddish one. It's a 46D. Here's a 50. Nice one, no mint mark. Good looking penny. Another one here. A 41. Another good looking penny. It's a 58. Another 58, a 47, a 53, that's a 49, that's a 50, I believe, a 45, and this one we're going to look at the very end because it's a good one. 57, 53, 51, 53, 51, 57. Nice 51 there. Nice reddish 51 there. That one, though, that one's a good one. That one's a good one. We're not going to show you that one. You're going to have to wait probably another 45 seconds at the rate I'm going. And hopefully these will get faster. I try not to make my videos real long. I know people's attention spans are not that great anymore. Here's a 54. There's a 44. There's a 42. There's a 57. A 47. Looks like maybe another S. It's like another 47S there. A 41. A 44. And a 51. Guess what? Still not done. Still got these in the lid. Still got all these in the lid. So I figured that what I would start doing is hunting these boxes, since I can't do half dollars anymore for the foreseeable future. And just save the copper. You know, copper pennies are worth 3 cents technically. So at the rate I was going with the half dollars, I was finding one every 2 boxes. So I'm finding, you know, I'm probably finding $10 to $15 worth of copper pennies out of I'm $10 to $15 out of the 2 boxes, the $50 worth of boxes. So there's a 54. Yeah, if I was finding $15 in every $25, I would just be buying penny boxes left and right. 51 is a 57. 55. 44. Like the gun. Another 47. A 53. And here's a 40. I'm not sure if 40 is a key date or not. I think 40 is in a little bit shorter supply. Not 100% on that. I kind of just got into pennies, so there's a 40 there. Oh, there's another one that we can't show you until the end. We found 2 really good ones, so 50. A nice 44 red. Of course, some of these pennies are not in the best of shape, but 58. the last year for him. Here's a 55. $55, $56, $54, and another really nice Ready copper. Nice one, $57D. Pretty common date. So the haul of the whole shebang here, and I still have 2 boxes left to do, is this one here. It is a 1929. Not very good condition, that's for sure, but it is a 29 nonetheless, and it does have that reddish brown tint to it. 29. Put that one to the side, and then this one here. Boom. 1909. There it is. Read it and weep, suckers. Not in great shape. You can see it's got scratches on his face, and there's some issue here. It is not a VDB. That I can see. Yep, there you go, 1909. All right, folks, thank you for continuing to follow me, and hit that like button, and we'll see you again for another penny hunt probably in a couple days. Till then, I hope all your hunts are great ones, and Mr. Clad out.